Hey Rush fam, so we're leaving the new Super Valu Towne Center right here off Constant Spring Road. So this is where the journey is starting out today. So it's another one of those city drives, and we're leaving from here to head around Molynes Road side. So you guys definitely stay tuned. Enjoy the drive, grab a seat, and put on your seatbelt. So, Super Valu Towne Center, Constant Spring Road. Then we're gonna head around to Molynes Road. Alright, so we have Molynes Road on the right, and we continue down Constant Spring Road. We're gonna take the right turn that's coming up West Avenue. That's right in front of Oaklands. Alright, so we're taking this right turn at West Avenue, and this will bring us down Dunrobin side. Alright, so we have the Dunrobin Park community on the right. And we have the famous Macaw's restaurant on the right as well. That upstairs structure that you're seeing, that's Macaw's restaurant. And then we're gonna take the right onto Washington Boulevard. Alright, so we make our way onto Washington Boulevard. And then we head all the way down to Molynes Road. So stay tuned. Bright sunny day. So we have Zadie Gardens on the left. State Gardens on the left. We have Sovereign Center on the boulevard. On the right, Savannah Avenue was on the right as well. Molynes Garden on the left. So as usual guys, thanks for watching another city drive. Thanks for clicking on this video. Thanks for liking. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for leaving a comment. And if you haven't left a comment as yet, do so now. So we're coming from the Super Valu Towne Center on Constant Spring Road, and we'll be ending the video right here at this Total gas station right off the boulevard, which is basically the intersection of Washington Boulevard and Molynes Road. So thanks for watching guys. See you on another video, and thanks for the support.